After the appearance of the production cards promoting the two companies involved in the creation of my opening sequence, the audience are thrown straight into the kidnapping. The addition of an electronic modified piano chords, starting as soon as Libby screams, creates a sense of eeriness and suspense for the audience. The title appears in a cinematic style to portray the professional and serious impression, like many other crime thriller films. This allows the audience to engage with the genre. Moreover, the alleyway location at the beginning of the narrative makes the kidnapping more realistic because despite not being set at night, which is often selected in crime drama films, the isolated location and being close to a wood, this is seen in the background of the shot, was preferred by my target audience in the questionnaire results. The 3 close-up shots of the police tape clearly suggest to the audience, if not already inferred, that my production is a crime drama. The switch in location and time through a cross-dissolve transition and application of a blue tinted filter is then shown. The depiction of the flashback in my opening sequence is credited in my final comments about killing time, because it is clear to the audience that the atmosphere has changed, but still there is something to occur. This is suggested through the use of suspenseful music fading in and out. The location of the running scene is an everyday suburban location that was chosen so my audience can relate to Libby's life. This makes them feel like the events that happen in the film could occur in their own lives and thus relatable. Much of my opening sequence has background noise removed. I believe this creates a tense impression for the audience watching, especially when you hear the occasional footstep, because they are not hearing exactly what Libby would hear, thus making them feel removed from the situation and feeling helpless when the foreshadowed kidnapping occurs. Despite my opening sequence focusing on Libby and her kidnapping, the unique selling point of killing time would occur later on in the production, by the narrative truly following the kidnapper and how he plans to get away with kidnapping Libby. This is an unusual outlook form for a crime drama film to take on. Conventionally, the police's viewpoint is often central to the plot. My opening sequence employed the voiceover of a news presenter to introduce Libby and the case to the audience.
A desperate search underway for a 16-year-old last seen over 24 hours ago. The last time anyone saw Libby Petal was at Stonebridge Park, Bury St Edmunds, leaving home to complete her morning run just after 07:30 hours.
This suggests the professional and serious tone of the case, making it more realistic and thus more thrilling. An example of a news report occurring in the opening sequence to explain the situation is in 2014 film Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. Despite being a drama thriller, the same approach is taken to allow the audience to understand the nature of the world's problems. In the last 10 seconds of my production, another character is introduced. The role of the character is the main witness to the investigation. However, this is unexplained in the opening sequence, activating an enigma code around that character. Due to this character looking a similar age to my target audience, this can make the audience think about what they're going to do in the situation, making the scene relatable. The final shot also raises enigma codes that my focus group also noticed. The action makes the viewers question what is going to happen next in killing time.